In this video I'm going to show you how to post multiple photos on Instagram story with one song. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Instagram app, then go to your profile and here tap add plus sign. And there, instead of selecting story, select reel. Now here tap add this sign to open up your gallery, and there you can select some photos to add them to your story. You can hit here at that sign to select multiple photos, and the photos will be added in the order you selected them. And once you selected some stories, just hit add next. Then you can add here some suggested audio, but you can skip that step. And now hit add next, and here all you have to do is just hit there on the save icon to actually save this video to your photo gallery. Just wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is, it's saved. Now you can go back, you can start again, so you can discard any changes, and now hit again at plus sign. Now select a story, and then select the video that we have just created. Now you can hit here add stickers icon and find music. Now you can add there some music, then hit done, hit next, and now you can share that story on your Instagram profile. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.